All right, we're gonna keep this short and simple. This is the absolute best way to cut a watermelon quickly and to get the most out of it. All you need is a watermelon, obviously, cutting board, big knife. All right, so we're gonna first cut it in half. Doesn't have to be perfect. Ooh, this one looks really good. Ooh, it looks so good. All right, set the first half aside. All right, we're gonna do one half at a time. We're actually gonna quarter it. So we're gonna go ahead and cut it in half again. All right, so now that we have quarters, so what you're gonna do is you're just gonna cut down little slices all the way down to the rind. Not into the rind, just down to where it naturally your knife stops, okay? And then you're going to just slice it down into the smiley face, and it just slides out just like that. You can cut it into smaller pieces if you want to, cut it in half. I've got a bowl right here. You need to scoop it straight in your bowl. It's not gonna be perfect, but it's fast and it's efficient. You can keep it or you can cut it. All right, we're gonna do this one last half. Slice down till your knife hits the rind. It's just natural, you'll know when you feel it. And then slice into the smiley face, let it slide right out. No, boom, boom, nothing to it. With no special tools, just knife, cutting board, you're gonna get it done fast. You don't need anything special. Slide right out. And it's relatively, for cutting watermelon, it's not really that messy either. So we just cut an entire watermelon in an extremely short amount of time, very minimal cleanup, and we have a whole bowl of watermelon, and that's it, we're done. You don't need anything special, don't need anything fancy, you just need a knife, cutting board, watermelon, that's it. You got it.